I was just getting a thumbnail in, guys. So yeah, this is dinner for today. Some pasta. I used the stuffed shell pasta, guys, and mixed the meat and cheese and put it in the oven. Garlic sauce. It's water in this cup. Just add me a little small soda. Canada Dry, my favorite. And stuff. Happy Thursday, guys. Happy Thursday. Hey. Yup. You know what I'm saying? I am no, I got other noodles in there, macaroni noodles and stuff. But I ain't want these to go to waste, so. Huh, guys? That's why I made it. And it is good. Yes, it is. Sorry, guys, I was watching the news. Let me get a napkin. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back, guys. I hope y'all have a good weekend. I know I am. I'm gonna be a little festive for the holidays. Make some baskets. But yeah, guys. You know, for today, some pasta dish, right, guys? Thanks for tuning into my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.